Hi everyone. I'm quite often asked, do I do avant-garde hair, or indeed how do I do it? Well, for me it's always about having a great foundation, and that's really important. So I use my Patrick Cameron hair pads. This is just a crown lift, a classic hair pad and a halo, and I start to build the shape however I want. By using these hair pads, it's incredible because the hair that you start to put on top of it really holds beautifully. You can really sort of, massage the hair to however you want it. Now, when I'm doing avant-garde hair for a photo shoot, I don't have to worry about the back. The back of the hair is not important. It's what the camera can see at the very front. And look at this now. You can see it's a real mess back there. But using those hair pads really give me the freedom to create. And look at this beautiful hairstyle now. This very maleficent look, isn't it? Beautiful devil look. With a great foundation, anything's possible.